The way you like it.
Oh, you're done.
Yeah, I got it because I really know you can. I don't know what you do. I was ever out on the river, there became a POW.
I guess I'd go to him or him or him.
We're getting worried over nothing. How'd you like to be back? Yeah.
Yep. Mm-hmm.
If I never went back to work, I don't think anyone would notice.
Sure they would, Bill. When there's suddenly enough